Kilalanin natin ang official new look complete lineup ng MERALCOBOLTS para sa Pba 48Th o Filipino Cup. Point guards: Aaron Black, 6'1", 180 pounds, 27 years old, 6.2 points, 5.8 rebounds, 2.7 assists, 0.4 steals, 29% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Diego Dario, 5'8", 145 pounds, 27 years old, 5.1 points, 1.1 rebound, 2.6 assists, 0.3 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 73% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Anjo Karam, 5'7", 159 pounds, 33 years old, 3 points, 0.1 rebound, 1 assist, 0.2 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 57% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Jolo Mendoza, reserve list, 5'9", 160 pounds, 26 years old, 4.3 points, 1.2 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.2 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his 2023 PBA on Tour averages. Shooting guards: Bong Quinto, 6'2", 185 pounds, 29 years old, 10 points, 3.2 rebounds, 3 assists, 0.5 steals, 41% 3-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Chris Banquero, 6'1", 175 pounds, 35 years old, 11.6 points, 2.6 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 0.6 steals, 40% 3-point shooter, 82% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Sean Jackson, reserve list, 6'2", 170 pounds, 24 years old, 2 points, 0.5 rebounds, 33 field goal percentage, 7.5 minutes per game, 2 games played in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Chris Newsome, ayon sa source na si Snow Badua, ay nasa trading block na ng Meralco si Newsome dahil mag-e-expire na ang kontrata niya at baka maging unrestricted free agent lang siya. 6'2", 190 pounds, 33 years old, 13.3 points, 4.2 rebounds, 4 assists, 1.1 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Small forwards: Alain Maliksi, 6'4", 180 pounds, 36 years old, 11 points, 2.3 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.3 steals, 36% 3-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Jansen Rios, 6'3", 185 pounds, 32 years old, 2 points, 1.1 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 0.1 steal, 29% 3-point shooter, 67% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Alvin Pasaol, 6'2", 200 pounds, 29 years old, 0.4 points, 1.4 rebounds, 0.2 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.2 blocks, 33 field goal percentage, 6 minutes per game in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Richie Rivero, ayon naman sa PBA on the go, ay si Richie nga ang gustong ipalit ng Meralco kay Newsome. 6'1", 146 pounds, 26 years old, 8.2 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.5 steals, 25% 3-point shooter, 58% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Panoorin naman natin ang counting highlights ni Rivero last Commissioner's Cup kung magiging fit nga ba siya sa sistema ng Meralco. Power forwards, Cliff Hodge, 6'4", 195 pounds, 36 years old, 7.6 points, 7.1 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 0.8 steals, 50% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Kyle Pascual, 6'6", 213 pounds, 34 years old, 1 point, 1.8 rebounds, 0.1 steal, 0.1 block, 33 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Raymar Jose, 6'4", 200 pounds, 31 years old, 6.2 points, 7.4 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 31% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2023 PBA on Tour averages. Centers, Raymond Almazan, team captain, 6'8", 194 pounds, 34 years old, 5.6 points, 6.1 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.4 blocks, 25% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Brandon Bates, 6'8", 231 pounds, 27 years old, 1.6 points, 2.5 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.9 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 17% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Norbert Torres, 6'6", 265 pounds, 34 years old, 1.2 points, 0.7 rebounds, 0.2 assists, 0.2 blocks, 33 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Meralcobolts para sa Pba 48 o Filipino Cup.